Great Weather Adventure of Witty Wind and Sunny Sun. Once upon a time, in a cheerful little town called Rainbow Valley, lived children who loved asking questions. Every morning, they looked up at the sky and wondered, why is it sunny today? Why did it rain yesterday? Why is winter so cold and summer so hot? What the children didn't know was that the sky had its own secret helpers, weather friends, who worked day and night to take care of the earth. Meet the weather friends high. Above the clouds lived Sunny Sun, bright and warm. He loved making flowers bloom, drying clothes, and giving energy to everyone on earth. Floating nearby was Witty Wind, playful and fast. Sometimes he blew gently to cool people down, and sometimes he raced through the sky, making trees dance. There was also Drippy Drop, the kind rain cloud who watered plants and filled rivers, and Snowy Snowflake, who painted mountains and fields white during winter. Together, they were responsible for weather, the changes we see every day in the sky. What is weather? One morning, a curious girl named Jenny looked out of her window. Yesterday it was sunny and today it's cloudy, she said. Why does the sky keep changing? At that very moment, Sunny Sun heard her question. He smiled and whispered to the clouds, "It's time to teach the children." That night, Jenny had a magical dream. She was flying up into the sky and landed on a fluffy cloud where the weather friends were waiting. "Welcome, Jenny," said Witty Wind. "We want to tell you a secret." Sunny Sun explained, "Weather is what happens in the sky every day: sun, rain, wind, clouds, or snow." Drippy Drop added, "If it rains today, that's weather. And if it's windy or hot today, that's also weather," laughed Witty Wind. Jenny nodded. "So weather changes quickly?" "Yes," they all replied together. "A day of changing weather." To help Jenny understand better, the weather friend showed her Rainbow Valley. In the morning, Sunny Sun shone brightly and children played outside. By afternoon, Witty Wind blew gently, bringing cool air. In the evening, Drippy Drop sprinkled rain, and everyone opened their umbrellas. "See," said Sunny Sunday, "weather can change many times in one day." Jenny clapped happily. "That's amazing. Then what is climate?" Just then, an old wise cloud named Professor Climate floated in slowly. "Good question," he said in a deep, calm voice. "Now it's time to learn about climate." Jenny looked confused. "Is climate the same as weather?" Professor Climate smiled. "Not exactly. Climate is the kind of weather a place usually has over many years." He showed her pictures of different places, hot, cold, and rainy places first. They visited a snowy land. "Brr! It's always cold here," Jenny said, shivering. "This place has a cold climate," explained Professor Climate. "It is cold most of the year." Next, they flew to a sandy desert where the sun was blazing. "It's so hot!" Jenny cried. "This place has a hot climate," said Sunny Sun proudly. Then they visited a green forest where rain fell often. "This place has a wet climate," said Drippy Drop. Jenny understood now. "So climate tells us what kind of weather a place usually has." "Exactly," said everyone together. Why climate is important, Witty Wind showed Jenny people wearing different clothes. "In cold places, people wear woolen clothes," he said. "In hot places, people wear cotton clothes," added Sunny Sunday. "And in rainy places, people carry umbrellas," said Drippy Drop. Professor Climate explained. "Climate helps people decide what to wear, what houses to build, and what crops to grow." Jenny smiled. Climate sounds very important. Weather helps nature. The weather friends then showed Jenny how they helped nature. Drippy Drop watered fields so crops could grow. Sunny Sun helped fruits ripen. Witty Wind helped spread seeds. Snowy Snowflake stored water on mountains that melted into rivers later. We all work together, said Snowy Snowflake softly. Jenny felt happy seeing how the weather helped the earth. When weather becomes extreme, suddenly the sky grew dark. Witty Wind became very strong. Drippy Drop poured too much rain. Professor Climate looked worried. Sometimes weather can become extreme. Jenny saw floods, storms, and heat waves. These can be dangerous, said Sunny Sun sadly. That's why people must take care of Earth. Protecting the climate, Jenny asked. How can we help? Professor Climate answered gently. By planting trees, saving water, reducing pollution, and using clean energy. Sunny Sun added, when people care for Earth, the climate stays healthy. Witty Wind nodded, and we can do our job better. A promise to the sky. As Jenny's dream was ending, she promised, I will tell everyone about weather and climate. I will take care of my planet. The weather friends waved goodbye as she floated back home. A new morning. The next morning, Jenny woke up smiling. The sun was shining, birds were singing, and a gentle breeze blew. She looked at the sky and said, Thank you, weather friends. From that day on, Jenny and her friends learned to respect nature, understand weather, and protect the climate. And high above, Sunny Sun shone brighter, Witty Wind danced happily, Drippy Drop rained kindly, and Professor Climate watched over Earth with pride. The end. Thanks for watching.